Good morning, students. So today we will discuss some of the question and answers of the lesson reproduction in animals. Okay. So open the page number 128 and just put the right mark for the correct answer. I will tell you the answer. The first one is multiple choice questions are there. There are 4 multiple choice questions are there. First one is eggs of frogs hatch into dash. Eggs of frogs hatch into dash. A. Nymph, B. Tadpole, C. Larva, D. Caterpillar. So what is the answer? Eggs of frog hatch into tadpole. Okay. So the answer is tadpole. First answer is tadpole. Now the second one, which of the following doesn't reproduce by laying eggs? So A. Snake, B. Eagle, C. Cockroach, D. Cow. The answer is cow, because cow give birth to the young ones directly. They do not lay eggs. The answer is cow. Now the third one is, the larva of a butterfly is called a dash. What we call the larva of a butterfly? A. Maggot, B. Nymph, C. Caterpillar, D. Pupa. So answer is C. Caterpillar. Okay, the larva of a butterfly looks like a caterpillar. So the answer is caterpillar. Next, the white part in the egg is called dash. The white part in the egg is called dash. A. Yolk, B. Embryo, C. Albumen, D. Maggot. The answer is albumen. Albumen. The white part of the egg is called as albumen. So these are the correct answers. First one is tadpole. Second one is cow. Third one is caterpillar. The fourth one is albumen. So put the right mark in the given boxes for the correct answer. Okay. So after this, write true or false is there. So if the given statement is true, write T in the box. If it is false, write F, because the boxes are very small. Okay. So the first one is the yellow part inside an egg is called albumen. Is it true? No, it is false. Because the yellow part inside of the egg, we called it embryo, or we called it what is that? Yolk, not albumen. So it is false. First one is false. The first one is false. Second one is, all living beings reproduce by giving birth to the babies. No, it is false. Why it is false? Because some of the animals and birds are there which lay eggs to produce a new species, and some of the animals are there which give birth to the young ones to produce a new species. So not all the animals, not all the living beings reproduce by giving birth to babies. It is false. Now third one is, reptiles do not look after their eggs. Yes, it is true. It is true. Reptiles do not care about their eggs at all. They just lay eggs on the ground and they go away from their eggs. That's because some of the eggs of the reptiles eaten by other big animals. They do not care about their eggs. It is true. Now the fourth one is, the larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. Yes, it is true. It is true. The larva of the butterfly looks like caterpillar. Okay, so it is true. Next, a frog's egg hatch into a pupa. No, it is false. It is false. Okay, so these are the correct order. First one is false, second one is false, third one is true, fourth one is true, and the fifth one is false. So next one, give one word answer for the following. Okay, read the given statement and try to guess what is the answer. First one is, the baby which comes out of the egg of cockroach. What we call the baby of cockroach? What we called? We called it nymph. We called it nymph. Okay. The baby of cockroach we called is nymph. The second one, the larva of a housefly. What we call the larva of a housefly? We called it maggots. Called it maggots. Okay. Now the next, the egg of a frog hatches into this. The egg of a frog hatches into tadpole. Answer is tadpole. After hatches the egg of frog, what will come out? Tadpole will come out. Okay. Next, the fourth one is the growing baby inside the egg of birds. We called it embryo. Called it embryo. Okay. So these are the correct answers. First one is nymph, second one is maggots, third one is tadpole, fourth one is embryo. Okay. So next, match the following is there. You just match it or write the number for the correct answers. Okay. First one is tadpole. Tadpole. Eggshell. Third one is eo. Mammal. This mammal. And the last one is reptile. Now the opposite side of this is that lizard, frogs, third one is protective covering, Next one is provides nutrition. Provides nutrition to the developing embryo. Developing embryo. And the last one is dog. So what you have to do is here, just match these questions with the given options. Okay. So the first one is tadpole. What is the tadpole we call? It is the baby of frog. Tadpole is the baby of a frog. Is it? Next one is eggshell. It is a protective covering. It is a protective covering for the albumin and embryo. Okay. Next, what is yolk? It provides nutrition to the developing embryo. Yolk provides the nutrition to the developing embryo, which is inside of the egg. Next, what is mammal? Mammal is a dog, because we call the dog mammal because it gives birth to the young ones, okay, directly. So we call dog as a mammal. Next, what is reptile? Reptile is lizard, which lay eggs and just go away from their legs because they do not care about their eggs. Okay, so reptile is a lizard. So these are the match the following. After this, short answer type questions are there. Short answer type questions are there and long answer type questions are there. These two divisions we will study in the next class. Okay. First one is what are mammals? You should write the definition of mammals. The animals which give birth to the young ones is called as mammals, and give two examples. First one is human beings and next one is elephant. Yes, you can see human beings, elephant, dog, cat, all these are mammals only because these give birth to the young ones directly. Okay. So next, name the various stages in the life cycle of a frog. Frog is having four stages. Frog is having 4 stages in the life cycle. You should write which are those. Third one is, why do some animals lay eggs in large numbers? Because they lay eggs in the large numbers because their eggs are eaten by the big animals. Most of their eggs are eaten by the big animals, so they lay eggs in the large numbers. Is it? So next, fourth one, name the parts of an egg. There are 3 parts. As you know that there are 3 parts in a egg. First one is eggshell, next one is yolk, and the third one is albumen. Is it? The very easy questions are there. Then long answer type questions are there. So these all things we will discuss in the tomorrow's class.